Hey, what's going on guys? My name is Alex and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to fix Windows 10 and not all RAM is usable. So what I mean by that is pretty obvious. When you go to Task Manager and to see if everything is okay, then you see something is wrong in the memory section. That's the RAM if you didn't know. As you can see right here, I will tell you what happened in a bit. As you can see, it says hardware reserved 6 gigabytes, or in other words, 6 gigabytes of RAM is usable. And if you see in the top right corner, it says 12 gigabytes unknown. If you didn't know, I have 12 gigabytes installed in my computer and I have 6 gigabytes usable right now. So I'll tell you what happened. So half an hour ago I took out my computer to clean it out of dust. It wasn't very much, it was a little amount. Then it took me about 15 minutes. Then after I finished, I closed up the case, put it back to place, all the cables, I booted up the computer, and then I went to YouTube just to browse to see what's happening. Then after 10 minutes, I see this green screen right here, just unexpected. I will zoom in to see what it says. As you can see here, the stop code says system service exception. I do not actually know what it is. I browse on the internet to see what it says, but it says about faulty hard drive, update your drivers, outdated drivers, and all of that. As you can see here, this photo is taken out from my phone. This is my monitor and my microphone at the top. And yeah, I was wondering, what video should I make today? And this is a perfect video what I'm going to make. So I will show you what to do, but first of all you have to take out your whole computer, your whole case, because you do not need to do anything in Windows 10. I know you may be like, I will click off this video because I have to take out my computer. Unfortunately, that's what you have to do, because if you change all the settings in Windows 10, nothing is going to happen. So I will record everything on my phone from this point and after. I hope the quality turns well on my phone. I will record it with flash, and I hope the video turns out well as well, if that makes any sense. So I'll see you in 5 minutes. So guys, as you can see right here, this is my computer and this is my monitor and microphone, as you saw in the photo 10 minutes ago. So as you can see right here, let me tell you first of all, do not judge me. This is the first time I'm recording on my computer with my phone, and if you see that my hand is not steady, or the video is not steady, don't judge me, because I have like not steady hand, if that makes any sense. So as you can see right here, these are my 4 RAM modules. Here is the 4 and 4. It's pretty obvious. I'm gonna focus it a bit right here. That's the 4 and 4, and that's the choose right here. So what you need to do if you have the same issue as me, just pretty simple. Just change the RAM places. So you have to be careful though. As you can see right here, this RAM here is white, and this one in the other end is as you can see here, it's blue. So you need to put the RAMs like blue and white, because if I put like the other 2 gigabyte module to the 4 gigabyte, it's not going to work. It's going to beep immediately. So just what you need to do, I'm gonna put the 4 gigabytes in the blue slot, and I'm gonna put the 2 gigabytes in the white slot. So I'm gonna see you in 2 minutes. Also you will tell me just remove the graphics card, because you're not going to be able to remove the RAMs. I can remove them. I can take them out from here. I did not close that properly, damn it. Whatever, I can remove them from here. I can move a bit the graphics card, but it's going to be dangerous. Whatever, I'm gonna see you in 2 minutes. So guys, I'm back. As you can see right here, I changed the RAM modules to how they were like a year ago, I'm pretty sure. So after you have changed the RAM, make sure that you click correctly the I do not know how to call them these, but just listen when I click them. It has to make this noise, because if you leave it loose, then it's not going to work. Let me plug in my power and let me turn it on. I will go straight up to BIOS, and let's hope that you can see with the flash. and if it beeps on your computer, that means that you have to change the places again. Oh, it beeped. Let me go through the BIOS. Unfortunately, it's 6 gigabytes, as you can see right there. Let me go to BIOS and check it. Sorry if I'm a bad cameraman because it's the first time. Let me go to MIT current status. As you can see right here, it says DIMM slot, 24 gigabytes. Only these two are working, so in total it's 6. So that's not going to be an easy process. You have to change the places again. I'm gonna close it right now. We're going to boot. Do not touch your computer while it's working. I'm pretty sure that's pretty obvious. Close it right now. There we go. I'm gonna close the power button right here, the switch. I'm gonna remove the cable. So that didn't work. So do not like hate on this video straight up because it did not work. On your computer, you have to change the places again. So what I'm going to change right now, I'm going to put the, how I'm going to do it right now, I forgot. So as I said before, make sure that the RAMs are blue to blue. If you put like the 2 gigabytes, as I said, the white, and if you put next to it, it's not going to work. So I'm going to change the RAMs. I will see how to change it, and I will see you in a bit. So guys, I'm back again. I'm gonna turn this switch back right on. I'm gonna boot it up, and as I said, if it beeps, then you have to change them. You have to change places again. So let's hope it does not beep. It beeped. Let's see. As you can see, it says 12 gigabytes. So I'm actually scared because I'm pretty bad at like changing stuff. We're gonna go to BIOS straight up. I'm sorry if you see the video a bit like bad and I do not know what to say. This is the first time and I have to record it fast because my parents do not know and my brother does not know that I record videos since March. So yeah, as you can see right here, in the DIMM slots right there, it says 2442. And as you can see right here, where's my hand? Total memory size 12 gigabytes. So make sure you change the RAM modules to different places and that will work. If you reinstall Windows, that's going to be a hassle and you're going to lose everything if you remove everything in the Windows setup. So thanks for watching guys. If you have any problems about this video, tell me in the comment section and I'll try to help you as much as possible. If you have any video ideas, tell me in the comment section. And also I won't have the steps. I will have like one step in the description about how to do this, but I won't write a lot of things. So as I said, do not judge me about this video if it's low quality or it's the first time I'm doing it. So please don't judge me, don't hate this. I'll promise in the future if I make these videos again, I'll try to make them as better as possible. Right now I'm recording with my phone. If I had like a DSLR or like if I had like a high-end camera, it would be a lot better. So thanks for watching guys, like, subscribe and share, and I'll see you in my next video. See ya.